Today I am preparing a big batch of cookies. The dough is very simple. 0.5 kilogram, 1.1 pounds of sugar, 2 small packs of vanilla sugar, some lemon zest, 6 eggs, 2 egg yolks, 0.5 kilogram, 1.1 pounds of unsalted butter, 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds of flour. All ingredients are at room temperature. I work quickly the dough, and then wrap it in plastic, and let it rest in the fridge for a few minutes, while I warm up the oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I then roll the dough with a rolling pin, and start cutting out my cookies in different shapes. Depending on the size of the cookies, I am baking them for 10 to 12 minutes. After baking the cookies, I let them cool down for 1 to 2 hours, and then I am ready for the final steps. Some cookies will be coated with white chocolate and sprinkles. This batch contains apricot jam. This one contains nutella. This one is simply dusted with powdered sugar. Finally, the last batch is dipped partially into chocolate and shredded coconut.